Today, I'm going to be showing you how to save emails to files on iPhone. To save emails to files on iPhone, it's very simple and very basic. I'm going to be showing you that real quick. The first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Gmail app. So let's do that now. So I have my Gmail here. Let's open it up. As you can see, guys, we are inside of my Gmail. So you want to select the Gmail, you want to select the email you want to save. So that's the next thing you want to do. You just want to select the email you want to save to files on your iPhone. So let's select this. So once you select the email you want to save to files, so if you check the top right corner on this page, you're going to see three dots over there. I want you to tap on that three dots. So guys, once you tap on that three dots, it will pop up some things for you on this page. If you look closely, you are going to see where it says print all. I want you to tap on that print all. Once you tap on that print all, it will take you to this page. If you check the top right corner here, you're going to see an icon over there which is pointing to the upside. So I want you to tap on this icon. Once you tap on this icon, it will load up this page for you. On this page, I just want you to select save to files. So once you select save to files, this email will be saved to your files or your iCloud. So guys, this is how you can actually save emails to files on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.